Sharibano from TutorCabin Private Limited. Today in this lecture I explain you beekeeping agriculture process. It is a very important process in today era because they are helpful for the production or enhancement of the food product as well as livestock. They are also participate in the pollination and the increase of for the yielding of crop fields and also a very important role for economic level because honey and wax are used in everywhere as well as medicine and in this commercial use also. So this product gives a much more economic value as well as this is a second business of farmer because there are no any investment need in this farming and less investment give a much more money. So friends, in this lecture we study apiculture. So start. It's the chapter 9 strategy for the enhancement in food production. Those strategy we follow and got a much and more food product as well as livestock. Part 4 beekeeping apiculture. Apiculture is a technique in which honey and wax and some product are produced. Maintenance of hives of honey bee for the production of honey and wax is the most important. Honey is a food product which have a high nutrition value and used in the indigenous system of the medicine because all the Unani medicine are developed by the use of honey. Honey is a sweet edible fluid. It is a light brownish in color and edible fluid and contains sugar, water, mineral, vitamin, amino acid, some enzymes and pollen also. They give nourishment. That's why it is a nutritive fluid and it also used for the treatment of some disorders related to the digestion, dysentery, vomiting, stomach and liver ailment. It is also used as an immunity booster because it gives the immunity and nourishes the immune system of the body. Now, honey is a medicine also. Honey there in today era there are so many different flower are used and for the production of honey because honey is used in very simple way or intake is very simple. So honey is a good as well as better for the human welfare. The other useful product of apiculture are production of propolis and poison which are used in some Ayurvedic and homeopathic medicine or homeopathic preparation for homeopathic medicine preparation. So two more products are formed by the produced by the apiculture. Beeswax is used in many industries such as preparation of cosmetics and polishes. In cosmetic industry and some commercial scale or in some commercial industry, beeswax are used for the preparation or manufacturing of some cosmetics and various types of polishes also. Bee farm are established in any area, in anywhere, in any area where abandoned a wild shrub and fruit orchards, cultivated crop is available in 1 to 2 kilometer radius. That's why beehives when kept in the field of sunflower, brassica, apple and pear bee increases the pollination efficiency. That's why the flowering plant improve the yield so that bees are the pollinator also. There are two types of different varieties are used for the production of honey and wax. That is a local and exotic. Local means Indian which is present in India and exotic are imported variety. Local is a Apicerana indica present in India and dorsata, rocky or rock bee, or A. flurry, little bee. Small bees produce a best amount of or best quality or quantity of honey. Also exotic, in today era, exotic bee are used in large scale industry or large level for the production of honey. Apis mellifera. It is an Italian bee. Italian bee. It is used for the production of large scale honey bee. Production of honey. These bees are very useful and give a good and best quality of honey. And the second one is Apis adamsoni. And all these are the very important and beneficial varieties of bee. We taken some important points, important strategies, and wrote it down here because if we follow these strategies and this plan, we got a successful honeybee or apiculture. And this is a important strategy. First one is a knowledge of nature and habit of bees. Must have the knowledge of nature and habit of bees. Second, you must have the selection of suitable location for keeping the beehives. It is very important because this suitable location have the some wild shrub and flower plant crops, crop cultivating areas, and these give a much more honey production. Catching and having, you must have prefer a uh, catching and having of Shams group of bees because it is an important management of, you must have prefer a good management to behave of beehives during the different season because there are different climatic conditions destroy the management and destroy the apiculture, so we must have to prefer a good management. Clear? You must have prefer perfect handling because if we not have a perfect handling or a perfect strategy for the handling and collection of bee wax, these bees are damages and create some damaging area or some create some damage in handlers. So the perfect handling is most important. So perfect handling and collection give a much more and best quality wise bee product. So friend, in this lecture we actually concluded about the apiculture. Apiculture technique is most important and this technique is a much more economic or income source, and not only income source but also enhance the good quality of nutritive product. These products are very beneficial for the human health and human welfare, and some different product like propolis and pollen and wax also have some importance in commercial scale level. So in this lecture we studied all of these, so please note it down all the important points which is a very important for board as well as NEET point of view. So friends, you have any query? If you have any query,